Okay, next. Can fit po ito ladies ng small frame. Bundle, yellow, 150. So, this is for small. This is from Urban pa. Ito yung pair niya. Bundle yellow, 150 for small frame. Hello, 13. Pa-share ko muna ng live, ladies. Uy, we have romper. Ito romper to ladies. Maganda yung romper. Kaya po ito ng medium si romper. May zipper sa likod. This is for 250 code romper. Mine romper. Bundle yellow for Miss Ruby Sabay. Thank you, Miss Ruby. Yours na po. Bundle yellow.
It's never too early to get in the Christmas spirit, so jingle your way to all the holiday
150.
Christmas music and holiday hits 2025 playlist. Listen on Spotify.
Okay, this is for small or medium kaya to ladies. Small or medium. Mine purple, 150. So, pwede siya i-off shoulder. Pwede rin pag ganito. Okay. Ang ganda pa ng tela. Para siyang linen. Code purple 150. Si romper maganda rin yan.
Walang karaoke sa bahay? Walang tayong mag-TV night sa labas? Who said karaoke nights can't be done in the palm of your hands? Kahit anong kanta pa yan.
Okay, next one. Polka can fit small lang po. Code 18150. Si Polka. Polka, meron siyang paganyan na details, ladies. May pa-ruffles. For small. Purple, Miss Axvine. Thank you, Auntie, for 150. Ay, ganda nito. Mini dress. Ayan. So, this can fit small din po. Code heart for 200. May zipper sa likod. As in, good as nyo to si heart. Code heart. Okay, next po, duster for large. Mine stripe 150. This is for large ladies. Code stripe 150. Hello po, 16 viewers. Pa-share po ng live. Okay. Heart for Miss Axvine. Thank you for 200. Okay, Urban Revivo siya na mini dress, white color. Code natin po Urban. Ito linen talaga to ladies ha. This is from Urban. Code Urban for small lang po, 200. Code Urban. Hindi yung ano yun. Dai, thank you so much.